So then you got back in touch with Anne McGivern?
Yeah,
and then
Anne McGivern moved to Orrell Park. Obviously it was Anne Rudkin then, and we got back together, and then we started talking about Risa, and let's get in touch with Risa. So we did, between us we got in touch with Risa, and then Risa came down with Rachel, who was, she was about 10 then, Rachel, and it all started again then, and we took off where we, you know, where we left off before, and then we had some good nights and some good days then. It was more like daytime where we'd take Anne to town, and Rita and I'd be just laughing, God forgive us, behind her back, you know, because she was do this, do that, and we were like, you know, shattered, pushing the wheelchair, but we had some really good laughs, especially Christmas, you know, when we'd have to do Anne's Christmas shopping. We'd be doing the shopping for everyone else, like, and Risha and I'd be absolutely shattered. Yeah, so it all started again, and we're still picking up that.